Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Finally revealing what I had posted on my Instagram a couple of days ago. I've created this party look because it's the party season now and the focus of this look is on the eyes. Let's get started. I was sent this beautiful box by Bausch and Lomb containing their Lacelle range of lenses. There was so much variety to choose from. In the end, I decided to go with these grey shade ones. These are from the premium range. These are really easy to put on and they're very comfortable to wear, and I always put on my lenses before I start my makeup. Now for the makeup, I want my skin to look quite flawless, so I'm using a high coverage foundation. I'm using a concealer in my under eye area and also around the nose and the mouth to further even out my complexion. Next, I'm going to fill in my brows. I have pretty full brows naturally, but I do have a few gaps here and there, and I like to use a pencil followed by a brow mascara to set my brows in place. Now for the eyeshadow work, I'm using a combination of two eyeshadows. I'm using a brown one in the crease and then a slightly shimmery bronze one on the lid, just making sure everything is blended well. I'm going to use that same brown in my lower lash line as well. I'm going to do a winged eyeliner. I love doing a wing because it just lifts my eyes, and my eyes are a bit droopy naturally, and it also draws attention to my eyes, which is my intention with this look. After liner, I'm doing a bit of mascara, and now I'm going to come back to the face and finish the rest of the look before going back to the eyes. I'm doing a little bit of contouring just to add a little bit of structure to my face, doing it along my jawline as well as the cheekbones, adding just a little bit of very natural looking blush. I want the rest of my face to be really natural because the eyes are the focus, and that's why I've chosen this natural, almost like a nude lip color for this look. And because this is a party look, I definitely want to add some highlighter just to give a nice glow to my skin. So just adding that to the top of my cheekbones. And now coming back to the eyes, I'm going to add a pair of really dramatic false lashes and some glitter because, like I said, I want my eyes to be the focal point of this look. And that is the final finished look. I love the way this turned out, and also this is something that you can wear with practically any outfit. I'm going to list all the products I used in the description box along with the details of the Bausch and Lomb contacts I'm wearing here. And that is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon in my next one. Bye.